Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make this homemade hair oil for hair growth. This is a pretty easy formula, so let me walk you through the step-by-step process on how I create this. To start out with, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some fenugreek oil. This has niacin and iron, which will help to strengthen the hair shaft. It also contains lecithin, which is going to stimulate hair growth and strengthen the hair follicle. This will coat the hair strands, giving the hair a nice shine as well as softening and strengthening the hair. It is antifungal and antibacterial, and it will help to encourage new hair growth. Fenugreek oil is not only great for promoting new hair growth and adding shine to the hair, but it's also great for creating a healthier scalp environment. And it does so by reducing any redness or inflammation present on the scalp. And it's also going to moisturize the scalp as well. Now, fenugreek oil is what's known as a fast absorbing oil. It's a very lightweight oil. So if you're worried about this leaving a greasy feel on your hair and scalp, it will not do that. It's going to rather really absorb into the hair shaft as well as the scalp, delivering some much needed nutrients. Next, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some grapeseed oil. This is an ingredient that is going to be more beneficial for helping to reduce any hair breakage that might occur and also helping to fight any damage that might be present in the follicle. This will help to moisturize the scalp and the hair. It's also going to be a fast absorbing oil, so it's not going to leave that greasy residue. It's great for encouraging and improving scalp circulation, so that's just really the blood circulation in the scalp, and that's going to enable the nutrients to be delivered to the follicles faster. And you're going to notice that using grapeseed oil often is really going to help the hair to be not so dry, and it's going to look healthier. This next ingredient that I'm incorporating into this formula is called black seed oil. It's not only good for promoting hair growth, but it's also great for the scalp as well. When it comes to the scalp, it's going to help to improve circulation. It's also going to be very good for managing conditions like dandruff. It's going to be very good for both the scalp and hair for really moisturizing and keeping everything nice and healthy looking. And if you're someone that's prone to any split ends or breakage, this is going to help with that as well. Because I want this to be very moisturizing for the hair and scalp, I'm adding some vitamin E oil. This is going to be great for that, as well as prolonging the shelf life of the other ingredients being used today. What I'm adding now is peppermint essential oil. This not only is going to give the hair oil a nice scent, but it's also going to increase the blood flow to the scalp and help nourish those hair follicles. Cedarwood essential oil is what I'm adding now, and this is going to not only increase circulation like peppermint, but it's going to help to balance the oil production on the scalp. This has a very woodsy and earthy scent to it. Lavender essential oil is going to give this formula a nice floral scent, as well as increasing blood circulation on the scalp and encouraging new healthy cell growth. Lastly, I'm adding some rosemary essential oil. This has a very woodsy and herbal scent to it. It's going to be very helpful for increasing blood flow to the scalp as well as stimulating hair follicles. After adding the rosemary, I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the scale, and I'm going to go ahead and stir this for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is going to help to ensure that I have a very stable but yet very effective product at the end. So now all I have to do is go ahead and pour all of the ingredients into my dropper bottle. Now this makes approximately 3.5 ounces of hair oil. And for me, it made 2 dropper bottles full. I'm only going to show you me filling one of them today. But I will also say that this oil is very fast absorbing, so you're not going to be left with any greasiness on the scalp or on the hair. And I will go over here in a minute how you can use this. This is something that you can use up to 3 times a week. This is how I would recommend that you use this oil. First, you're going to section off your scalp. Then you're going to make sure that your hair is completely detangled. Once that is done, you're going to just apply a couple drops of oil and then apply it to those sectioned off areas. Gently massage it in and then leave that on for approximately 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is up, go ahead and completely rinse it out. So here are some substitutions that you can use for this hair oil. Instead of grapeseed oil, you can use argan oil. Just keep in mind that that is a very pricey oil. For the black seed oil, use castor oil. And then for the fenugreek oil, use hibiscus oil. That's a great option. Other options to consider for the essential oils are the following: tea tree, thyme, and lemongrass. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.